Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So you guys, today we are looking at all of these amazing tumblers and Five Below. Tumblers and glass cups, you guys, they have so many to choose from, so I wanted you to see. So sit back, vibe out, and I'll pop back in with you in just a few.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top.
Isn't this stuff cute so far, you guys? They even have stuff for the kids, okay? And look at these cups. And honestly, looking at these tumblers and cups, I have a confession to make, okay? Your girl does not own a Stanley cup. That's right, I don't. But you know what? These cups over here are giving, you know what? Some of them are giving Stanley vibes, okay? For a fraction of the price, okay? All of these are only $5, okay? And they look just as good. They have some with sparkles and all kinds of stuff. So, you know, just keep that in mind, you know, for the budget, okay? And then especially for if you want to gift them for people this year as well, you know, it's giving. I like these prices.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love.
And one of the things that I love are all of these bright colors and options to choose from. And they even have the ones with the little workout motivation. Okay, and I love this one, doing my best, because that's what your girl has been doing lately, okay? Trying to work my job and record these videos for you guys. So I hope you guys appreciate them. If you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and share it with somebody. Share it with someone who would love one of these amazing tumblers. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Don't be shy.